Raja lived in a small village. He was a hard-working and kind-hearted boy. The villagers often called him helpful and honest. One day, a big problem arose in the village. The fields were running short of water. Everyone was worried and no one could find a solution. Raja thought, if we all work together to fix the waterway, this problem can be solved. He started working day and night. The children and elders of the village also joined him. Together they built a canal to bring water from the river to the fields. After a few days, the water reached the fields and the crops turned green again. The villagers were very happy and praised Raja. Raja proved that with a pure heart and hard work, any difficulty can be overcome. In the end, Raja told everyone, helping each other and being patient is the greatest strength of all.